clear on this end though. I don't know what that is, but a big, huge thing. Alright, 4S challenge. 4S challenge. Time to get my ass off the bottom of the list. Or yeah, some a little bit higher up on this list. Well, I probably need to go down here further. Alright, further enough away. I don't see nobody coming. Okay, here I come. Stop. See if I can get her back. It's hard, I can't see nothing. There we go, I think I see something. There's a glare. See if I can get her back. Tell me that put me up further on this list. Got her back. That was a struggle. Let's see what we got here. Stop. Reed, put me up there. 134, or at least takes me off the bottom of the list. But shit, it's not where I want to be. I gotta put some more work in, man. 134. 134. Let's see what the rest of these GPS has got to say. Get down from here. At least it takes me off the bottom of the list. Garmin 134. 134 in the Garmin too. So I'm sure that one had 134. OS. Let me take this off. Let's turn this off. We can turn all this shit off. The fan is just a button. The fan's off. So these wires. 5 wires, 4S, black, red. These wires, there you go, 5 wires. 134, takes me at the bottom of the list, but still a long ways to go to catch them big dogs up there. So I'm gonna keep pushing, see what I can get. Thanks everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Come try out for this challenge. You know, it's fun. It tests us, you know, see how good, you know, we really are.